Honey, what do you think would be a good online business nowadays? I didn't do well with my last business.
Aw, I'm sorry to hear that, honey. Do you mean your last business gig?
Yeah, the e-commerce business. I thought it would do well in earning money while working from home. It was supposed to be for a future.
What was the problem?
I invested a big capital for the warehousing, buying inventory, looking for suppliers, packing supplies, manpower salary, problems with logistics, and many more. What a headache. In the end, the sales were too slow.
Oh, what a waste. Never mind, don't lose hope. Hold on, have you heard about dropshipping before?
I think I've heard of it. Is this where you ship stuff?
No, honey, dropshipping is a type of e-commerce, but in this case, you'll be selling products where you don't need stocks, inventory, or ship the products yourself. It's easy because the supplier will be taking care of everything. That means wherever you are in the world, it's easy to start without that much stress or hassle.
Tell me more, honey. What are the benefits of dropshipping?
First of all you need is a small capital. This is the biggest benefit of dropshipping. It is possible to start an e-commerce store without the need to invest thousands of dollars for the inventory. It is very common in traditional retailers to release a big capital for the inventory.
You're right, just like what I did. But then, right now, my products are stuck in my warehouse. So much hassle and very costly.
In dropshipping, you don't need to buy any products until you sold the product and you got paid by the customer. So even if you don't have a big fund for the inventory, you can start right away. Running this kind of e-commerce business is easier because you don't need to handle the products physically. You don't need to worry about warehouse, packing and shipping the orders, tracking the inventory for accounting, handling returns and inbound shipments, stocking products, and managing the amount of stock.
Wow, that's amazing. That means I can start as early as next week?
Yes, honey, you can even start tomorrow. And one more thing, there is low overhead cost with dropshipping. You don't need to pay for a warehouse or inventory.
Seriously?
I promise. Plus, the location is flexible. Wherever you are, as long as you got an internet connection, you can sell right away. We can have our honeymoon around the world while running the business.
But what will be the products that will sell?
Don't worry, there's a lot to choose from. You don't need to stick to one, because you don't need to pre-purchase the items that you're going to sell. You can sell a line of trending products to your potential customer.
It seems so easy to try.
That's true. This is for entrepreneurs who would like to test their customers' appetite for additional category of products. For example, you are already selling hair straighteners. Then you later on would like to try to sell another line of products such as accessories, earrings, necklaces. You can put these products right away on your online shop to test the market without buying an inventory. But wait, there's more. In a traditional retail business, if you receive 3 orders, that also means that you gotta put 3 times the effort, right?
Right.
Well, here, because the supplier would take care of the orders, your one effort can produce 3 times the sales. That means you can expand without minding so much of the additional workload. Instead of taking care of the product quality or the shipment to the customer, you can focus and invest your time and money in advertising. The more advertising you do, the better market reach it'll get.
And more sales.
That's correct. You'll earn more.
That also means I can have more time for you and our future family. Honey, I'm excited. Where should I start?
Where else? But in OJMD Dropshipping. This is one of the biggest dropshipping companies in the Philippines for Shopify and WooCommerce. They got an automated Vibranium system, so you can start an online business right away. It's so convenient. It's not like the traditional dropshipping because you don't need to buy stocks to start a business, or a warehouse, or inventory. The greatest part? You can get 5,000 pesos every day to use in buying products for your dropshipping orders.
How does OJMD work?
It's simple and easy with the following steps. 1. Start your website. 2. Install the OJMD app for Shopify or WooCommerce. 3. Find and import products. 4. Start selling. That's it. Easy peasy.
Then OJMD will take care of the rest? Like confirming orders to avoid fake buyers, packing and shipping the order?
Indeed. Plus, they'll update you if the customer has received their order. They even got a new dashboard you can use to track everything. In OJMD Dropshipping, you don't need to worry about AliExpress or dropshipping from China, because they already got a curated list of amazing products to sell which they update every day. That's why you'll get new items every day to market and sell. In OJMD, you can also control your own pricing.
That's so comprehensive. But how much of the percentage will they earn from me?
0. They won't ask for a percentage. You can even control the pricing using their automatic pricing system. Easy, isn't it? So, are you in?
I'm ready for a future. That's why I'm falling even more in love with you.
Do you want to learn more about dropshipping? Just visit our website. https://dropshipojmd.com